Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to easily find your user ID in Monopoly Go, making it simpler to connect with your friends. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open the Monopoly Go app on your device and ensure you are signed in. Once the app is open, navigate to the home page. Look for the 3 horizontal lines or menu icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and locate the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. This will open a new page within the app. At the bottom of this page, you'll find your user ID displayed. By following these straightforward steps, you'll easily locate your user ID in Monopoly Go. Whether you need it for customer support or to add a friend, now you know exactly where to find it. If this guide was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more game tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.